you want to know?
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I am Srikant and you are watching Live to Explore. Today we are going to explore Asia's largest monolithic rock, Madhugiri Fort. So Madhugiri Fort is approximate 120 km from Bangalore, which will take us approximate 3 hours. If you are planning to visit Madhugiri Fort, right, you can combine it with another sanctuary nearby, which is a deer sanctuary. Because morning you can come and you can spend some time there in the deer sanctuary, and after that you can come here, and maybe afternoon you can just hike it. Okay, we actually did that. So if you want to watch the first vlog, maybe you go back to my videos, previous videos. Last week I have uploaded that video, deer sanctuary video. You can check that. So after the deer sanctuary, actually we came here to Madhugiri Fort, so that's why today we have a separate blog for that. Okay, so anyway, let's proceed. The deer sanctuary to Madhugiri Fort, it's 20 km. So for that it will not take much time, hardly some 40 minutes maximum. So okay, let's proceed. So we just reached Madhugiri Fort entrance, from where the hiking will start. The Google map is little misleading because it was showing somewhere 300 meters from the actual place, because there is no proper GPS link. So what I did is I just sent the location, I just saved the location detail, so which I will provide in description, right? You can follow that so that you can directly come here. So one thing, they are just making the vehicle entry, and they are regular, like mobile number, address and temperature check, those they are doing. So yeah, after that they are just allowing inside. Okay, so we'll start the hike now. Okay, so we started our hike at 1:30 p.m. Now it's 1:30. So I will let you know once I will reach to the peak how long it took for us to reach. Okay, let's start. Completed 30 minutes so far. Looks like not even halfway. Okay, at least more than halfway is still there. You can see, right? See the top? So that much we still need to climb. Anyway, let's proceed. This is the second time rest. I think maybe 20 minutes more we need to hike. Yeah, good part is weather is good. It's not sunny at all, a little cloudy as well, so there is no much issue. But anyway, getting tired is normal. We need to hike a like full top, right? It's one of the biggest forts, so yeah. So Ayushman, are you also getting tired?
Yes, getting tired.
Huh.
But if I take rest, no problem.
Okay, so after taking rest, you can still continue, right?
Yes.
So this time we are not going back, right? We'll go till top for sure.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Because last time we came, right? The last time we returned from half only. Because anyway, most of the places, right? We keep trying. If first time we cannot climb, second time we'll come and try. So this is the second attempt. Let's see. Let's proceed. I think we need to return back. Why? Let me show you. See, because of this support, right, it goes till top. This is very much needed, and if you see in the middle, it's not there, no support at all. So with this we cannot take any risk. Okay, so if you are also visiting, right, Madhugiri Fort, you can just come till 75% of the till 75%, and after that I think you should go back. But the view is really awesome. Anyway, we have a drone right now, so we can watch this. Hope you like the aerial view, guys. जो बोलते हैं ना, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. I think because of that reason, I think we came back today. We almost reached. Again, let me show, because we just came down a bit. So from here I will show you till where we reached. Okay, just few steps. Let me show you that. See, we have reached. So this is the top. We have reached till, let me show. Yeah, I think this place. You see, right, there is a wall like structure, and the wall is broken. So till there we have reached, and because of no support we have to come back. Anyway, it was a nice experience. Last time we visited Gudibande Fort. If you have not watched that video, you can check that in my video list. But it is far more difficult than Gudibande Fort. Gudibande Fort is nothing as compared to Madhugiri. Okay, so if you guys are planning, make sure you don't try that out. Okay, it is dangerous. Rest all, you no need to even go till top, right? It's from here only the view is awesome. So okay, acha. So Ayushman, you enjoyed?
Yes.
What do you enjoy? It was difficult, right?
Yeah, it was not that much difficult.
See,
I could do it around.
Ayushman can do it anything because he is used to now. He is going many such places, so now he is used to.
Yeah.
So next time also we'll try out something.
Yes.
Okay, cool. No worries. See the confidence. Okay. Anyway, guys, I think this is the time to end the vlog because we need to drive back. I'm not sure what's the time now. Yeah, I think it's 3:30. So we'll go back. It will take 3 hours approximate. Yeah. So as usual, if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. Any queries, please ask me. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. We will meet you in the next vlog. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.